taking a look at this 54 Deluxe here. Is absolutely beautiful. Right next to it, we've got a 73 Cuda right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Camaro 68 Z28 right across the way. Should be like a 302. Yep, factory 302 Z28. That's how they came. Look at this nice little big window bug here, like a 65er. Is it a 65er? It is a 65er. Door handles. A little past Halloween, but nice Ranchero. Oh, this is a pickup that was here earlier. Eat them. Nice Cobra over here, emulation. Very clean. Factory 5. Little small block. Oh, he's got a Ford in it. Look at that. Yeah, I know. What's the saying? More Fords are on the road today because of Chevy power.
I saw one had a Viper V10 in it.
I did too. Yeah, a guy put a V10 in it, didn't he? The one I haven't seen yet is a Hemi. I haven't seen a Hemi in one yet. So
yeah, now they're starting to put Hemis in Chevys.
That's right.
If you want to go fast, put a Hemi in a Camaro.
There you go. There you go. Looking good. All right, beautiful. Good looking emulation there. Well, my favorite K series of the whole show. Oh, wait a second. It's the only K, but it's still badass. Look at this, 496. Big motor in this sucker. Huge lift. Hey, he even got his ESD here. Very cool. A lady get me on a paint job. That's so funny. There you go. Hey, oh, let's get a look at the interior of this. Yeah, I didn't really look inside this. This one's got doors on it, so it should be like a 78, maybe an 80. Electric windows. Oh man, this is a gentleman's truck here. Wow, very nice overall. Right next to it, we got a Buick 54 Skylark, convertible. Ah, I love that grill. The Dagmars. I'll never forget Dagmars. He got his original flyer here. And this is the Roadmaster. Oh, where's the portholes? Oh, wait a second. I didn't. Huh. That's a special.
So, I worked on this for a week. Now I've got
gorgeous car. Gorgeous car overall. Nice. So is this the special or the Roadmaster?
Skylark.
Oh, this is the Skylark. Duh.
Skylark.
I did
That's
say
why it
that.
doesn't have the portal.
And I sat here and looked at it and go, Skylark. I didn't even put two and two together. It's
The
like,
only one that doesn't have them. Got him.
very cool. Very cool.
330, is it?
Duh. It's a Skylark. You're such a dork. That's why there's no portholes. We got a DeLorean over here. Look at that. DeLorean. And a big old Chrysler Imperial. Oh my God. I remember seeing these cars when they were for sale and I thought they were the ugliest things ever. Now to see it, it's actually pretty cool. Because you'll never see one in a million years. Two-door. Oh, it's a Mark. Oh, it's a Newport. It's not a New Yorker, it's a Newport. Anyway, very original. So this guy's is Verne Holiday Cruise. Look at this. This is this straight six in it. Somebody told me it was a slant six. They lied to me. Straight six with a blower in it though. Dual carb setup. It's one fast six. Looks like a 371 on your BDS.
Yeah.
Very cool.
That's all you got.
Very, very cool. All right, we're just about out of battery here, so let's walk to the end of the show. Got to check out this Cuda here with this monster air eater. 66. This has been around. 68 Cuda. Looking like a track car. A little hard to see in the sun here. All the original paint on it. Track paint. This thing's got originality written all over it. A license plate on it. Got a nice little TR6 over here. All original. 1970 Chevelle. Very stock. Lots of fall on it. There you go. Nice louver job here on a 47 Ford. Very cool. Oh, this is beautiful. Ah. And this, my friends, is a Roadmaster. Here we go. And this is pre-porthole. It's an earlier version. This is the Buick Roadmaster in all of its glory. Never seen one this early though. One of the first ones I've seen. Gorgeous car. Take a look here at the back. Wow. But while we're here, let's look at this first series Chevy. On the ground almost. It's almost fully laid out. Nice stance. So there's your Buick. 53? I'm not sure. Don't know these really well. 48. Much earlier than I thought it would be. Overall, just super, super clean. Beautiful example. Love the car. Love the car. Okay, so we're gonna make our way on out of here now. An A, got a 69 SS right here. We got a double nickel 210. We got a nice little CUDA here. Now I'm gonna go with 66 on this one. Small block. 67. Should have gone with my first thought. Don't know my CUDAs that well, especially in the earlier ones with the back windows. It was made famous by Ben Wood, Desert Car Kings. There's that hard to get back window. Great wheels though. So we're almost out of battery. We're gonna keep going until we run out. So let's work our way down. A nice rat. Gorgeous cars here.
Corvette's got its triple bypass also.
Where's that blown? 6. Original Chrysler Newport from Monty Peters. Got DeLorean right here. Eden.
Oh yeah, that's how it used to look.
Hi there, come.
Another nice Camaro here. Oh, let's finish up with this Cadillac right here. Look at this Caddy. Gorgeous. Beautiful ladies wear better paint over here. This is a 47 Cad. Probably one of the best ones you're ever going to see. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that fender line. Well, you can see the Buick and Olds and all that lineage in these cars. When you see them in one place together, it really starts to hit you home. So yeah, I think that's going to finish up my main walk today here. It's been a good walk around. Always a good show here in Laverne. Nice flame Meffy there. Now, this is a Coronet. Coronet with an Earl Shide paint job. A lot of clay in that paint. It is a Coronet 66. There you go. Nice single stage job on it. Freaks Garage. Cruisin, California. A nice 64 Rivy. And a beautiful, beautiful 59 right here. Impala. Hardtop. Nice stance on it, but narrowed. Look at this interior. Wow, beautiful. She's a pedal car. A true SS. Got torque thrusts on it. And it's not an SS, it's an Impala. 67 right here. Falcon. I think it's 67. Double check.
They both
68.
quit their jobs and just said, well, just try to
Very original.
Said no, so they're like, fine, we quit, right? And
Sport cube.
They took the
There you go.
cross-country road trip and
All right, guys, taking the last walk. Working my way over to the Coe. And GTD. Look at this. You don't see a piece of British iron like this in these shows very often. And it's right-hand drive. Yep, not one you see every day here. The true TD, banjo wheel.
It's up to you.
Man, great 67 Chevelle here.
Yeah.
Two-door wagon, super sport, badged. Overall, very nice. All right, guys, take one spin around. Take a look down the street here. And you know what? This about finishes up for me here at the Verne Holiday Cruise. Appreciate you guys watching. And as always, thanks. And looking for that cure for autism is appreciated as well. Take care.
King of the road.